Miss Zoe is still awake after eating, and she won't go back to sleep. She's just wide awake. Can you get your fingers out of your eye?
You're going to have to suck that, Charlie.
Wide awake. Wide awake. That's what you are. You're wide awake. Yeah, beautiful. And you won't eat again until 11. Yeah. Hopefully she's going to sleep soon. Not 7:43. And hopefully when I come in tomorrow, the feeding tube will be gone. Mm.